Snake there. Snake, man. On the way back to the field station, I nearly run over a reticulated python. Here's the boys. This is this big reticulated python. Yeah. I guess he's about 10 foot, just crossing the road. They are a nocturnal snake and they all hunt at night. We'll take him back to where we're camped up and we'll let him go away from this main road. Okay, put a bit of pressure there. Yep, got him. No worries. Okay. Yeah, he's right. Okay, he's in.
Pelan-pelan, just pelan-pelan.
Okay. Easy. Easy. And look at the size of this snake. The boys gave me a bit of a hand. I like that. Magnificent looking. Just touch him on the nose. Opens his mouth just right up. You see the rows of his teeth, and they are so sharp. And once he locks on, he's got a good hold. Okay, there we go. Okay. Easy. Very good. We'll keep moving. Not far from dinner. Okay. All right. Thanks, man.
Snake's taken quite a journey.
This reticulated python found out on the road will also be better off out here.
We're just coming up to one area here. We're going to let him go up here, JB?
Yeah, we found around here.
Just on that grassy bank there.
Nice place.
Yeah. Very lively. Really wants to get out.
JB says that this python is small. Yeah, right. They can grow 3 times bigger than this fella. Still, I'd rather he stop crushing me. JB also said we're close to our release point. Close must mean something different in Malay.
Just a little situation. We're just trying to hold this snake still. And she's just very slippery and wanting to move. I think I got her out of the bag a little early. A little premature. Are we going here?
I think it's right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There you are, JB. Yep. Should we put him in the tree?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right, done. Yep.
Okay?
Yep. Oop. Oop. Okay. She's gonna go in the river. Wow. Woo. Gone.
Free.
Yeah.
It's good.
Better than the road.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But
Hey?
you saved their life.
I hope so. Probably not the monkey's life. Monkey's probably gonna get eaten there.